I'd like to take a minute to introduce a new product which we've been asked for quite a while now, and that's our aircon top-up oil charge. That's available in R134 compatible, the red can, and R1234 compatible, which is the brown can. To install these, you'd use either the yellow hoses for the red can for R134, you could use trigger, or you could use the standard tap hose, and for the 1234 you'd use the blue versions of these, which has the correct end to suit the other type of car. It is worth mentioning that this product must only be used when you know you need it. Just because you've lost your refrigerant doesn't mean you've lost your oil. The purpose of this product is where the vehicle has had mechanical work. Perhaps it's had a brand new compressor, not a pre-oiled one, or perhaps you've changed the condenser and left the car in the workshop with the pipes bleeding down. Maybe the pipes themselves have been removed. You need to know that you need it, but when you do need it, the normal alternative would be that the vehicle would be vacked out by a professional, and then it would have a PAG oil injected into it, and then you'd have to do a full regas. So this allows you to do a re-oil as a DIY operation. The final point to mention is that this is not a complete regas. There is not sufficient refrigerant in the oil charge to completely regas a vehicle. I think this particular can is 113 grams of equivalent, when this car, for example, takes 500. So you're always going to need aircon top-up, aircon recharge after this to bring the pressure up to specification. But I hope that's helpful. We think that's going to be an exciting product, and it definitely fills a specific need for those people that do.